Rainbow lace is a delicious mercerized cotton yarn of the highest quality. It comes in a classic thickness suitable for crochet and knitting projects on a thin needle. Rainbow lace has a fantastic color intensity as mercerized yarn absorbs color way better. In addition, the glossy surface gives the color an exceptional depth. Moreover, mercerized cotton is actually extra strong. It doesn't shrink in the wash or lose its shape, and it just looks gorgeous. However, never hang your finished work to dry. Pull it into shape when wet and let it dry flat so it will keep its shape for years to come. You can actually machine wash this at 60 degrees Celsius, that's 140 Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool, I would say. Whenever you knit or crochet with rainbow lace, the stitches will stand out nice and clear. The yarn is especially suitable for crocheting lace, tablecloths, placemats, fine crochet decorations, and much more. So enjoy our gorgeous selection of beautiful colors in rainbow lace.